This is going to blow your mind. Discover the hidden powers of something you've been underestimating in your kitchen. Yes, we're talking about apple cider vinegar. Get ready, because it's going to change the game. Ever wondered why apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has become a superstar in the world of health and wellness? Well, this isn't just any vinegar. Originating thousands of years ago, ACV was more than just a food seasoning. Ancient civilizations used it for its healing properties, showing us that they were onto something big. Fast forward to today, and science backs up the buzz. Did you know ACV can help you lose weight, improve your digestion, and even lower your blood sugar levels? Incredible, right? But wait, there's more. Beyond the body, apple cider vinegar works wonders on your skin and hair, making it a fantastic natural beauty product. And guess what? You can even use it to clean your house. Talk about a multitasking miracle. But let's set the record straight on some myths. No, ACV isn't a magical cure-all, but it's a powerful tool when used correctly. Always remember, moderation is key. Looking to try it out? Start small, maybe a teaspoon in your morning water. Just be mindful of how your body reacts, and always consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. We've heard incredible stories from people who've embraced ACV in their lives. From better health to sparkling clean homes, the benefits seem endless. So why not give it a shot? Explore the wonders of apple cider vinegar and see how it can add a buzz to your daily routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing health secrets. Thanks for watching.